Hello friends, myself Professor Suvarna Jadhav from KK Wagh Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Bhausaheb Nagar. Today I will explain elimination reaction. Define elimination reaction. Elimination reaction is a reaction in which two atoms or a group of atoms are removed from the reactant to form product with higher degree of unsaturation is known as the elimination reaction. In elimination reaction, the unsaturated compound is converted into saturated compound. First, the general reaction X, it is a base, then Y, it is a leaving group. Base abstract the X, then the formation of carbon-carbon double bond, then alkane is converted into alkene is a eliminated product. Then in second example, carbon-carbon double bond is converted into alkyne, carbon-carbon triple bond. Then next example, the leaving group are present in this carbon is called as alpha carbon and halogen is present in the carbon called as a beta carbon. Base abstract the beta hydrogen, then the carbon carbon double bond is formed and then leaving group are removed. This reaction is called as beta elimination reaction or 1,2 elimination reaction. Then another example, it is easy, which is also abstract the proton, then the formation of carbon nitrogen double bond, then in next structure, then the formation of carbon nitrogen triple bond and carbon oxygen double bond. The example of elimination reaction, first in basic medium. This reaction is carried out in presence of base. First of all, base abstract the beta proton, then the formation of carbon-carbon double bond and bromine is a good leaving group. It is easily removed from a substrate. Then the formation of propene as a product. Then second example, base also abstract proton, then the formation of carbon-carbon double bond, then OTS, it is a good leaving group, it is easily removed from substrate, then the formation of propene as a product. Then next example, base, it is a Hoffman elimination reaction. Base abstract the beta proton, then the formation of carbon-carbon double bond and NCH3 thrice, it is a good leaving group, it is easily removed and then the formation of propene as a product. Then next example, 1,2-dihaloalkane or 1,2-dibromopropane. Base abstract the proton, then the formation of carbon-carbon double bond and another base is abstract the adjacent proton, then the formation of carbon-carbon triple bond as a product. Then in acidic medium, base abstract the proton, then the formation of carbon-carbon double bond and formation of a propene as a product. Then next reaction is a neutral medium, 1,2-dibromopropane. This compound is converted into alkene. Then next example, which is also similar, carbon-carbon double bond is formed and good leaving group is easily removed. This reaction is called as a pyrolytic elimination. Then mechanism of 1,2 elimination reaction. The 1,2 elimination reaction which take place in a basic medium are characterized by the following. Then the substrate, base abstract proton, then the formation of carbon-carbon double bond and why it is a leaving group, it is easily removed, and then the formation of alkene as a product plus conjugate acid or base and leaving group, it is a byproduct. Three steps are involved in a mechanism of elimination reaction. First is breaking of C alpha Y bond. Second, breaking of C beta hydrogen bond, and last step is formation of the pi bond between C alpha and C beta carbon atom. The mechanism is started. First, E2 mechanism. E2 mechanism, it is the elimination by molecular reaction. The breaking of C alpha leaving group and formation of C alpha C beta pi bond and breaking of C beta hydrogen bond takes place simultaneously. First, base abstract proton, then the formation of carbon-carbon double bond or C alpha C beta double bond, then why it is a leaving group, it is easily removed, and then the formation of transition state. In transition state, partially bond form and partially bond breaking is takes place. Then the formation of product alkene plus BH plus Y minus, it is a byproduct. Then the rate of E2 elimination reaction is depends on the concentration of a substrate and concentration of base. This mechanism has some similarities with SN2 mechanism in the following respect. A. It is a bimolecular. B. All bond formation and bond breaking are concentrated. C. Proceed through single transition state. D. It is a one-step process. Second, elimination unimolecular event mechanism. In this mechanism, breaking of C alpha Y bond takes place in the store step and to form carbonium ion, which is then followed by fast breaking C beta hydrogen bond and formation of C alpha C beta pi bond. Step first, in step first, removal of leaving group. It is a slow step, then the formation of carbonium ion plus byproduct is leaving group. Then in second step, beta proton base abstract beta proton, then the formation of carbon carbon double bond, it is a fast step, and then formation of alkene as a product. The rate of this reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of a substrate.